Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and let's choose this three-dot icon. Here let's tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of previously visited websites. If you want to delete only one of it, let's tap on this X button right next to it. If you want to clear more browsing data, let's click on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, you can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you want to clear data, let's tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared, there's nothing here, so the browsing data has been successfully deleted. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.